Dong, would you like me to make you a fried Mars bar?
Oo, salamat maganda.
You're welcome.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Hello guys, sa araw na to, igagawa ko si Wari ng snack. Ito siya. Fried Mars bar. Susubukan natin. So, gagamit ako ng harina. Lalagyan ko na siya ng asin. Pwede nyo rin sa lagyan ng asukal, pero optional yun eh. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng baking powder. At saka gagamit ako ng beer. Ano kaya lasa nito? We will see. Amoy alak siya. Amoy alcohol. Itatry ko rin to siya kung masarap. Lagyan natin siya. So, apat na ganito. Ano kaya lasa nito?
Well guys, this is fried Mars bar.
With ice cream.
With ice cream. Of course the ice cream is optional, but we love ice cream, don't we? So always with ice cream. Not just any ice cream, Scottish ice cream. Let's try it.
Ice cream.
It's crunchy, so the batter's perfect. Flavours is it's a nice mix. You got the crunchy, you got the Mars bar's coming through, but it's not overly sweet. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet, is it? It's about right. The story of the fried Mars bar. Well, no one really knows exactly where it's come from. It's a fairly relatively recent recipe. It's from like 1990s, maybe 2000s. The story goes that two people in Aberdeenshire in Scotland, they had a bet that who could fry different foods, and one of the foods was fried Mars bar. How's it taste for you?
It's good.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
It tastes very sweet, very delicious, very luxurious.
Dessert.
Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is really delicious. There's so many different textures and flavours going on. It's hard to describe it. You've got the crunchy because of the batter. You can taste obviously the Mars bar. But it goes together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's quite sweet and it's not overpoweringly sweet though.
I like it.
That's a wrap.
Crunchy.
Yeah, gooey in the middle, crunchy on the outside. If you'd like to make this recipe, don't worry if the batter is a little bit lumpy, because that adds actually to the crunchiness. It's really nice. And you can't tell it's got Guinness in it, can you?
No.
I can't taste the Guinness. As always, we'll leave the ingredients below in the description. That's what I was trying to say. And yeah, until the next video, give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave a comment if you like this product, or maybe you've got something similar that you'd like us to feature in the next video. And yeah, right guys, till the next video, ingat ka.
Bye bye. No kiss this time.
Delicious.